What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and if you're watching this video, you made it to day 15 of our beginning 5K program, so let's get right to it. Alright, I just want to say you're all doing fantastic, and I know you want to get moving. This is a bump up week. What does bump up week mean? You'll find out. So let's hand you over to Coach Robin.
Alright guys, welcome to week 3. You have made it through 2 complete weeks, and I am really pumped up for week 3 because we are doing something different today. Our workout today is going to be a 2-minute walk and a 2-minute run. And don't freak out about that, because remember, we're doing it at a conversation pace. You slow down as much as you want to on this run portion. You just take it easy, don't start breathing heavy, and just keep a nice constant breath that's not out of breath. All right, so we are going to walk for 2 minutes. We are going to run for 2 minutes, and we are going to do that 5 times. So we're doing a 20-minute workout, and we've done that already, so no big deal there. And I have confidence that you guys are going to do great. Remember, just keep it nice and slow, and just go out and do it, and look at your surroundings. I don't know if your surroundings are as nice as mine are. Can you see my surrounding here? All those guys out there surfing. Anyway, that's what I'm going to run by. But whatever your surrounding is, take a minute, smell the roses. Just be happy that you're outdoor in the fresh air, that you're moving your body, that you're getting some really good exercise in, and you are moving. Every day you are moving closer and closer and closer to your goal. You could choose to stay home today, but that's not going to get you closer to your goal, all right? So if you're feeling it, like, I don't want to do it today, stop a minute and think about it. Challenge yourself. You know, do you want to stay home on the couch, or do you want to go out and get your blood moving and do something that's going to move you closer to your goal? I know you're going to come up with the right answer there, guys. So again, 2-minute walk, 2-minute run, repeat it 5 times, total of 20 minutes. And I'm not going to waste your time anymore. I'm going to start with my warm-up exercises. You do the same thing, and I'll see you back afterwards after our cool down. Have a great workout, guys. Hey guys, that was a great workout. So that was the first time for 2 minutes of walking and 2 minutes of running. But you did all the work for the last 2 weeks, so I know that you did a really good job. And we're just going to continue doing that for the rest of the week until we get to Saturday. Then we'll bump it up again, as that's what we do. But anyway, great job guys, and I will see you tomorrow, and we're going to do the same thing again. Have a great day.
See? You did it. You actually increased what you were doing and you got through it, and you did a fantastic job. We're proud of you, and we will look forward to seeing you tomorrow in day 16 of our 5K program. See you later, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.